Good evening. Let us start our class. And as you know very well, that
Yes,
on
sir.
Sundays we have a common class that is only for speaking. Though on other days, different batches have different things. But on Saturday, I think it is a special day that gives you a chance to speak. Today, this is a different class in a way that you don't know upon what you have to speak. As well, I also have no idea in my mind that what topic will you be given to speak. And the important thing is that all the students will be given different topics. Means no common topic. Today each student will be asked to speak on different topic. It may be related to your academic study material. So I think you are ready for this class. So Payal, first it is your turn,
Yes, sir.
and I want to know what is your plan regarding your career. This is my question. Please express your views
Sir.
regarding your plan for your career, for your future. Yes, come on.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Payal, and telling about my future regarding
My future plans.
um,
Hmm.
my future plans.
Uh,
Um,
yes,
I
Payal.
am making. I am making for my. Yes, sir.
Yes. Keep it up. Carry on. I think.
I want making for my future
Uh,
plan. Um, because um, uh, I am.
what happened, dear?
सर मेरे को नर्वसनेस हो रही है.
क्यों हो रही है? What happens? मतलब क्यों हो रही है नर्वसनेस आपको? जबकि आप तो पिछले टाइम से ऐसे अच्छे अच्छे टॉपिक्स के ऊपर बहुत फ्लुएंटली बोले हैं आपने. ये
Yes,
तो बहुत
sir.
सिंपल सा मैंने आपको टॉपिक दिया है. दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल टॉपिक that you have to speak that what do you think about future, what, right now what is your status and where do you want to reach in future, in 2 years time or 3 years time or 4 years time. I think my question is clear to you. Don't worry. Okay,
Yes,
i
sir.
i call you later. Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
call you later. Yes, come on, Gati.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to ask you the same thing
Okay, sir.
so that all persons, all the students of this batch make clear themselves. because this is very
Okay.
common topic. Yes, come on, start.
Uh, Hello everyone. My name is Gati, and I want to become an IAS officer in my future. And but first of all, my motive is to get a security in my life. So I have planned that after doing 12th, I'll do BA B.Ed integrated course from a good college, and then I'll do preparation for all types of competitions, and I'll give the competitions, and I want to I'll want to go to Delhi for doing IS preparation for UPSC, and then I'll give some attempts for UPSC, and I'll do my best and give my best to become an IAS officer. That's it.
Okay, very good,
Okay, thank you, sir.
good, very good. ठीक है, अब काफी आपने अच्छे से बोला, पर इसको थोड़ा सा आप एक बैकग्राउंड बनाते हैं इसका. If after making a background you express your views, it would be very nice. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
But okay, no problem. Yes, come on, Rubina.
Yes, sir.
Come, Rubina. Hello, Rubina. How are you?
I'm fine.
Very good. So these days, I think you have holidays. Hmm.
Sorry, sir.
These days you have holidays.
Yes.
It has been 2 days. So, Rubina, tell me, have you ever heard the name of Santosh Yadav?
Santosh Yadav.
Maria Sharapova?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. Do you have television
Yes.
at your home?
Yes, sir.
Do you watch it?
No.
But you know, I think you know about the television.
Yes.
What is television? What is its role? I think you know.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, Ravina, speak about television, its advantages, its disadvantages, and whatever you know about it. Focus on the topic, collect your ideas, and without any hesitation, having confidence, try to speak. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Come on, beta. Start karo.
Hello, everyone. My name is Rubina, and today telling you about television. Television is a part of our life.
Shabash.
Now people can't live without television because सब मनोरंजन को
Entertainment, recreation.
because it is a entertainer
शाबाश.
साधन
हाँ, entertainer.
साधन
एंटरटेनिंग मीन्स कर दो फिर आप. एंटरटेनर तो ठीक है, फिर वो आप उसको फिर मीन्स लगे. यू नीड नॉट पुट मीन्स विद दैट, है ना. बट इफ यू आर सेइंग दैट इट इज एन एंटरटेनर, then you need not say sadhan. But if you say that it is an entertaining means, then okay, I think clear it to you. Yes.
It is a entertainer. There are many channels in the television. Like that, Sonipal, Star Bharat, etc. टेलीविजन शो, सर उसको क्या कहते हैं, शो करता है मतलब
दिखाता है शोज, डिस्प्लेस।
अच्छा,
हाँ, डिस्प्लेस कह दो, शोज कह दो।
television shows many news now. Now news now.
बोलो बोलो, नहीं बोल पा रहे हो इंग्लिश, हिंदी बोलो, मैं हेल्प करूंगा आपकी। घबराओ मत
सर,
बिल्कुल भी, घबराहट नहीं होनी चाहिए। हाँ।
अभी कोरोना वायरस की न्यूज चल रही है, इसको कैसे
सो
बोलेंगे?
देयर इज न्यूज ऑफ कोरोना वायरस ऑन एवरी न्यूज चैनल। बस बन गया, देयर से बना लो। देयर तो बहुत यूजफुल है ना, मैंने आपको देयर का यूज इसीलिए तो सिखाया है मैंने। बोलो बोलो, आप आगे बोलो, कोई बात नहीं है, नहीं बोल पाए तो घबराओ मत, बोलो।
And there are shows, sports, and serials. The ladies, most of the ladies watch the serials, and the all the women watch the Ramayana, etc.
हम्म।
Uh, and children and children watch the cartoons, and the uh, boys watch the match.
शाबाश बेटा, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा है बेटा, बोलते रहो आप, कहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बेटा, बोलो आप अच्छे से।
Television is very useful, but यह मनुष्य के जीवन को नष्ट करती है। सर, इसको क्या बोलेंगे?
बट इट इज आल्सो हार्मफुल,
but
नुकसानदायक
it
भी है। हाँ, बट इट
but is
डिस्ट्रॉयज। हाँ, बट इट इज आल्सो हार्मफुल फॉर ह्यूमन लाइफ। हाँ।
but is also destroy human life,
हम्म।
because the peoples are the peoples सब खर्च करने को क्या कहते हैं?
स्पेंड। पीपुल्स
the
नहीं बेटा,
people
पीपुल ही होता है, पीपुल में ऐसे नहीं लगाते, पीपुल।
the people um, uh, adds our time, time, and
और क्यों देयर टाइम आएगा ना, पीपुल आ रहा है तो।
हाँ सर, their
आराम
time.
से बोल, घबराए मत बिल्कुल। हाँ। हम्म।
That's it, sir.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। अच्छा है, कोशिश अच्छी है, प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए आप, यू नीड प्रैक्टिस, एंड
Okay,
दिस इज द पर्पस ऑफ अरेंजिंग दीज क्लासेस ऑन सैटरडे,
okay.
है ना। तो आप कोशिश करते रहिए अपनी, और काफी अच्छा है, कोई घबराने की बात नहीं है, बस कोशिश प्रैक्टिस में रखो बस अपने आप को, है ना। यस, कम ऑन।
Okay, sir.
प्रिया, प्रिया, आर यू लिसनिंग टू
Yes,
मी?
sir. Yes, sir.
गुड, हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine. Thank you, sir.
What did you do today from morning to right this time? Can you tell me?
Yes.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Priya Meena, and today I'm telling about my day.
शाबाश।
Uh, I get up at 6 o'clock.
गॉट अप पास्ट में आएगा ना।
Sorry, sir. I got up at 6 o'clock and went to a morning walk
गुड।
and came at home
केम
at
बैक।
7 o'clock and came back at home and at 7 o'clock and did help in the kitchen.
Did and helped my mother in kitchen. हाँ, okay.
And take breakfast at 9 o'clock. And took breakfast at 9 o'clock.
How did you help?
I cut the vegetables in the kitchen
Hmm.
and gave breakfast to each other.
Each other में तो
हाँ,
फिर आप भी आ जाओगे ना.
दूसरे को.
To
Yes,
all.
sir.
Served. Gave की जगह served.
Served.
And served the breakfast to other members. To the other members of family या to family members like that. थोड़ा सा अच्छे से बोलो उसको. हाँ. कोशिश करो. बोल रहे हो बहुत अच्छा. Very good. आगे बोलो.
After it, I took bath
Hmm.
and then uh, I taught my I taught my younger sister and
शाबाश.
brother
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. हाँ.
and after it I played with them
Good.
and after it I took lunch.
Took.
I took lunch
Hmm.
and I learned in English vocabulary
Hmm.
which is taught by Rajesh ji sir.
Hmm.
After it I slept
Hmm.
and got up at at 4 o'clock.
Hmm.
After it I took some rest and I took my online classes.
Hmm.
That's it.
Okay. Very good. बहुत अच्छा बोला. शाबाश. Nice speaking. Very good. चलिए ठीक है और बातें करेंगे. अभी आपसे बातें ही करनी है मुझे आप लोगों से. So I have to talk to you. But now it is the turn of Sparsh.
Yes, sir.
Come on, Sparsh. How are you, Sparsh?
Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir. And you?
I am also fine, beta. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sparsh,
Yes, sir.
do you know something about Santosh Yadav?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us about her?
Okay, sir. Yes, can I? Yes, sir. I can.
Yes. Come on, start.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Sparsh Gupta, and I am telling about Santosh Yadav, who was very brave girl in India. Santosh Yadav was born in old thinking people's family, and his family was very rich, and he was and she was very brave and intelligent girl in her family,
Hmm.
and he and
She.
he suffer he, and her suffer was very hard.
Suffer or
Her
journey?
suffer- her journey was very hard.
Hmm.
When she was asked by her parents to marry, then she told that she would not marry until he was not given a good education. Then her parents refused to pay for his education.
Shabash.
Then he told to her parents that she would do part-time job for earning his education, and this shows his bravery, and this shows that her interest in achieving her goal was very good.
Shabash.
And then her parents agreed to pay for his education. Then he
She,
studied.
she.
Then she studied very hard for achieving his goal.
Hmm.
Then she took participate in so
Participate और
mountains
took का
of
see,
nature.
she participated करो ना.
She
Yes, she
participated in
took part. Yes, she took part. ऐसे बोलोगे.
yes, sir.
Hmm.
She took part in सर वो चढ़ाई को क्या बोलते हैं पहाड़ों की चढ़ाई को.
In mountaineering activities.
She took part in mountaineering activities
हाँ.
and she practiced for mountaineering activities for at least 3 and 4 months. Then then first time she reached on Mount Everest and collect 500 kilogram garbage from Mount Everest. Then second time he again reached the Mount Everest and in this way he सर वो रचने को क्या बोलते हैं उन्हें रचना
She
और
made.
नाम रच
हाँ,
दिया.
she made a history.
She made a history in reaching the Mount Everest twice. In this way, he was very brave. In this way, she was very brave girl of our India, and she सर ऊंचा करने को क्या बोलते हैं?
हैं?
ऊंचा करना.
She raised.
She raised India's name in world. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा बोला यार.
Yes,
शाबाश.
sir. Thank you,
Nice
sir.
speaking. Very good. Did you have any idea
Sir, for what?
for the topic that you spoke upon? Did you have any idea
Yes, sir.
that what
Yes, sir.
what topic will be given to you?
No, sir, I don't have idea,
Okay.
but I know about Santosh.
No, you know about Santosh. I know very well. But did you have
Yes,
any
sir.
idea?
No, sir.
No. So, okay, very good. Very
Okay, sir.
good.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Yes, come on. Karina,
Yes, sir.
how are you, Karina?
Sir, I am good.
Fine. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Do you go to school these days?
No, sir.
Why?
Because of coronavirus.
So, are there holidays?
Yes, sir.
Declared holidays? Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Declared holidays.
Yes, sir.
Declared. Okay. घोषित अवकाश चल रहा है आपका. Okay. Okay. Karina, tell me, do you know about Maria Sharapova?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us about her?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Come on. Start करो
Hello,
बेटा.
everyone.
हाँ.
Hello, everyone. My name is Karina Nanwani. Today, I am telling about the Maria Sofia, who was
Maria Sharapova.
Maria Sharapova.
हाँ.
Maria Sharapova was born in 19 April 1987.
Hmm.
She was a Russian tennis player.
Hmm.
She practiced daily on the walls, and then her parents saw her. She was practicing daily for the tennis, and then his father wanted to take her in that field,
Hmm.
and then his father सर उसके पापा उसको कोचिंग ले गए थे.
Took her. ले गए.
Took her to the coach, and then the coach told them that move to the United States, and then they went there, but her mother passport visa was not available,
Hmm.
so her mother couldn't go with them.
Hmm. शाबाश.
So Maria dad Maria,
Maria's dad. Apostrophe लगा के S लगाना पड़ेगा ना
yes,
पोजीशन
yes,
बनाने के
sir.
लिए. हाँ.
Maria's dad had to pay for the Maria to stay at that school, and then his father decided to do job there so that they could be able to pay for the school.
Could be able की क्या जरूरत है? Could pay able के लिए तो could लगा रहे हैं ना अपन बेटा.
Yes, sir.
तो could be able की जरूरत नहीं है ना.
Okay.
हाँ.
Sharapova trained there. She was practicing daily.
हाँ.
She watched the video with coach. She began to win tournaments, and many people started to notice her. And Maria gained fans. She won 35 title.
Okay, very good.
In March 2016, Sharapova revealed that she had failed a drug test at the 2016 Australian Open. She was suspended from playing tennis for 2 years by the international tennis tournament. That's all.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Did you have any idea regarding the topic that you will be given today?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Nice speaking. Shabash.
Thank you, sir.
Prerna,
Yes, sir.
how are you, beta?
I'm fine, sir.
Are you going to school these days?
No, sir.
Why?
Because coronavirus.
Okay. Prerna, do you know about pollution?
Yes, sir.
What is pollution? What kinds of pollution? And what are the solution of it? Okay?
Yes, sir.
This is your
Yes,
topic
sir.
to speak. Come on. Start.
Hello, everyone. My name is Prerna Jarwal. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is pollution. In our country, pollution are spreading around surrounding, and most of the pollution are three types: water pollution, land pollution, air pollution, and water pollution is very सर मैं बाद में बोल दूँ क्या?
ओके ओके कोई बात नहीं बेटा. चलो आ जाओ. खुशबू.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Khushbu, what do you think about your career?
Yes, sir. Can I start?
Yes.
Hello, everyone. My name is Khushbu Peswani, and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes, and I am studying in BCom first year. And today's my topic is what I think about my career in my future. At first, I am studying in BCom first year, and I will start to reading reasoning and GK, because I will fight all the competition paper, because I want to become a post of bank manager. And
I want to become a post नहीं. I want to become a bank manager.
yes, sir.
Post
I
तो
want-
already है वो उसको तो क्या बनना है?
And
I want to reach the post of bank manager. ऐसे आप कह सकते हो. Okay, बोलो आगे बोलो.
and at first I will complete my graduation, then I fill forms of banking, and then I will sir taking training of banking,
Hmm.
and then if I selected in the post in the banking, so I will uh, do I will doing job of banking.
Will doing.
That's it.
I will do.
Okay, sir. I will do.
Okay, ठीक है. Very good. Okay, very
Thank you.
good. Yes, come on. Dilkhosh. Hello, Dilkhosh.
Yes, sir.
Are you fine? Are you fine? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dilkhosh, you have to speak upon the topic that was given to Prerna. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, come on.
Sir, pollution ही है ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Dilkush Mina. Today I am telling about pollution.
Hmm.
Pollution is a burning problem of today. It is increasing day by day. It is not. It is not a problem of country. It is a. It is a. It is problem of a international level.
Hmm.
There are three types of pollution: water pollution, air pollution, and land pollution.
Hmm.
What reason of land pollution is we throw garbage here and there, so that so that सर भूमि प्रदूषित हो जाती है.
Hmm. The land is polluted.
The land is polluted. Yes, sir. Visa.
पायल, अंजलि के बाद आएगा तुम्हारा नंबर.
ओके सर.
हम्म. आवाज ही नहीं आ रही. Your voice is not coming. दिलखुश. दिलखुश, आवाज नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी. लेफ्ट हो गया वो. चलो इसको बाद में लेंगे. Come on. सलमान.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever read or heard the William Shakespeare's poem The Seven Ages of Man?
Yes, sir.
Come on. Tell us about
Yes,
it.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. William Shakespeare wrote the poem Seven, the Men's of Seven Ages of the Men's.
Hmm.
In this poem, he tells us about the seven stages of the man's. In the first stage, a man roll a part of infant. In this stage, he mewling and puking in the nurse's arms.
Hmm.
In the nurse's arms, and the second stage is the beginning boy. In this stage, he goes to school with his satchel.
Hmm.
With his satchel, he goes to school very slowly, like a snail.
Very good. Good.
Snail.
Hmm.
Like a snail. And the third stage is a lover. In this stage, he wrote he sang like a furnace and wrote woeful ballad for her mistress, and the second and the fourth stage is a soldier. In this stage, a soldier. In this stage, a man fight to other for his bubble reputation, and he ha, he ha, he has he has bared like a leopard, and he ready to go go in the cannon's mouth for his bubble reputations. So, for his bubble reputation. And the fifth is a justice stage. In this stage, a man become a become bec- become become a justice. He has fair round belly. He keeps a formal cut in bed. He gives instructions to his
Instruction
his
instructions.
instructions
Hmm.
instructions to to his youngers about 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 the life, and gave them good ideas. And the fifth and the sixth stage is a is a is a old man. In this stage, he keeps spectacles on his nose. His skins become loose. He has a stick. He walk with a stick, and and he 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 wear सर ढीले डाले कपड़े क्या बोलते हैं?
Loose clothes.
Loose clothes.
It is
And the
not
seventh
necessary to
stage.
speak in that same language. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can use your own language.
Yes, sir.
In simple language, you can
Yes,
explain
sir.
your thoughts.
सर वो क्या सर वो याद नहीं आ रहा था.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. बोलो, बहुत
And
अच्छा
the
बोल रहे हो आप,
second
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे
and
हो
the
आप.
seventh stage is a second childness. It is in this stage he for a man forget everything. He sense everything like teeth, taste, etc. And he depend on other persons for every work. In this way, that William Shakespeare divide the life of the man's life in the seventh stages. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. Yes, हाँ, क्या रुबीना?
Yes, sir.
You may leave बेटा, जाओ बेटा, है ना?
Good
Yeah.
evening, sir.
Good evening. आ गई क्या?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, very good, Salman. Your expression was very nice. एक तो
Thank
आपको
you, sir.
पोएम ध्यान है बहुत अच्छे तरीके से. दूसरी बात, आपने उसको एक्सप्लेन बहुत अच्छे तरीके से किया अभी. Very nice. Good.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Come on, Sonam. Now it is your turn to speak.
Yes, sir.
Sonam, what is the role of hope in our life? Come on. Hurry up. Hope. What is the hope in our life? What is the role of hope in our life?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Come on.
Hello everyone. My name is Sonam Meena. Today my topic is hope. There are many names of hope like expectation, desire.
Yes, come on.
Yes.
कहाँ अटक गए?
Future relevance, measure of benefication, etc. Hope make us happy and fresh. Hope kills our negativity. It fills us with quietness. Hope hope is the creation of soul.
Hurry up. What does hope do when we are sad? When we are disappointed. That
We
time,
are
what does hope do?
when we are sad. So hope
Hmm. Hmm. Hello, Sonam.
yes sir.
Have you finished? Have you done?
Yes sir.
Okay, no problem. Come on, Anjali. अच्छी कोशिश की तुमने और कोशिश करो थोड़ा सा, है ना? हाँ, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Anjali.
Yes.
Hello, Anjali.
Yes, sir.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Anjali, what is the importance of trees? This is my question. Yeah, how are trees helpful or useful or important for us? Yes, come on. Hello.
Good evening, everyone. My
हाँ,
name is Anjali Meena.
हम्म,
Sir, आवाज नहीं आ रही?
आ रही है भाई, बोलो.
Good evening, my name is Anjali Meena. Today my topic, importance of tree.
Hmm.
Tree is the blessing of nature to man.
Hmm.
Tree is very important role in our life.
Hmm.
No living being can
Begin?
begin can
Begin कैसे आ सकता है?
ex-
Begin कैसे आ जाएगा? No living begin कैसे आएगा?
being sorry.
फिर कि देख थोड़ी रहे हो आप?
No living can excite
हाँ,
exist on the
हाँ,
earth without tree because tree give us oxygen.
हाँ. How are trees useful for industries? Yes, come on, tell me. How are trees useful for industries? You can give the answer in a line. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Can you answer? Can you answer my question, Anjali? No?
Yes, sir.
जवाब दो. You know, industries depend upon trees. Why? Can you tell me? Okay, you tell me that how are trees useful for animals and birds?
Please,
Read,
Hello.
reads many.
क्या हुआ?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा चलो, आप जो बोल रहे थे उसको बोलो आप.
Trees give, trees give food, birds and animals.
हो गया?
Yes.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं. कोशिश करो अच्छे से अभी. और आप सेल्फ डिपेंड बनो. आप
Yes, sir.
अपना सहारा खुद बनो. आप
Yes.
कोशिश करोगे तब आएगा बेटा. यस, कम ऑन पायल. पायल.
Yes, sir.
Payal, you have to speak about Rajasthan. What do you know about Rajasthan? Very
Sir,
simple
sorry.
topic for you. Yes, come on.
सर एक बार रिपीट करना.
You have to speak about Rajasthan. I think you know very well about Rajasthan.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Payal. I am a student of English. I am a student of Ramban Interactive Live Classes. Today, I am telling about Rajasthan. Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the very most. Rajasthan is the very popular stage. Rajasthan, the land of kings, is the largest state of India. State of India, located in northwestern India. सर नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न में ही है ना.
वेस्टर्न है. नॉर्थ. हाँ, वेस्टर्न में है अपना. वैसे वेस्टर्न पार्ट है. नॉर्थ.
ओके सर. ओके सर.
Have you ever visited Jaipur?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever visited Jaipur city?
Yes, sir.
What thing do you like? What place do you like the most in Jaipur city?
Sir, the most of different parties because like Jantar Mantar, Hawa Mahal.
Which place do you like the most? Tell the name of one place that you like the most.
Okay, sir. Most of Amir Mahal.
Have you ever?
Because
yes.
yes,
Because
sir.
because
Amir Mahal is the Amir Mahal. सर हवादार को क्या बोलते हैं?
airy.
सर क्या?
Airy. Airy.
Okay, sir.
This is too common a word. Yes.
Yes, sir. Because Amir Fort is Amir Fort is airy.
Airy नहीं, airy.
Airy.
क्या बात
सर
है? आज तो बोल नहीं पा रहे आप. क्या बात है? तबीयत ठीक है तुम्हारी? Are you okay?
यस सर.
पिछली क्लासेस में तो बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे थे आप. और बहुत
सर
ऐसे
बोल रही
टॉपिक्स
हूँ,
के
मैं
ऊपर भी.
कोशिश कर रही हूँ.
हाँ, कोशिश करो आप. यस.
This it is an old fort on fort. This is on fort built in 1592 असं I think
Okay.
1592 by Raja Mansingh. This fort is also very popular known as the Amer Places. This fort also has the Sila Devi temple and the Ganesh pole, which is a gate.
Okay, Payal, very good.
Okay,
Payal,
sir.
can you tell me the big temples? Can you tell me the names of big temples of Jaipur city?
Sir, big temples.
Oh, yes. Though all the temples are big, but there are some temples where so many people go for their weekly
Sir,
offerings. Yes, come on.
Sir, Govind Dev Ji Mandir and Ganesh Ji Mandir. I think many people are look for these temples every month या every day, every week.
Look for नहीं, go
Oh,
to
sir.
these temples.
Okay, go to this temple.
Look for तो तलाश करना हो जाएगा.
Okay, sir.
And other temples?
And other temples are the most popular, and one temple सर जो साल में एक बार खुलता है,
That opens once a year.
that opens 1 year.
Once a year.
Once a year. This is Mahadev Mandir, Mahadev temple.
Where is it?
Sir,
Where is it?
yes, sir. Some Moti Dungri.
Yes, on Moti Dungri.
On Moti
Just
Dungri.
above the Moti Birla Mandir, Birla temple.
बिरला टेम्पल ऑन फोर्ट. सर वो ऊंचाई पर है ना, वो महल बना हुआ है उसमें.
There is a
Yes, sir.
palace on Moti Dungri hill or on Moti Dungri, and in that palace there is a temple
Yes, sir.
that opens only on
Only
Mahashivratri.
one.
Once
Yes,
a
sir.
year, on Mahashivratri.
Yes, sir.
Which is the biggest temple of Lord Shiva in Jaipur?
Biggest.
In Chowda Rasta? Tadkeshwar temple.
Yes, sir. Tarkeshwar temple in Choda Rasta.
Okay, thank you Payal.
Okay, sir.
आज तुम्हारी
Thank you,
तबीयत
sir.
ठीक नहीं है,
That's
मुझे लगता है कि there is too much difference, but okay, no problem. सब आज तबीयत तो ठीक है ना तुम्हारी? Are you okay?
आज मैं ना थोड़ी थक गई हूँ.
Okay,
फिर
what?
सब यही है ना.
हाँ. Okay. Take care.
Okay, sir.
Take care.
Yes, sir.
Yes, come on, Prerna.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You have to speak about Diwali.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Prerna Jarwal. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. So my topic is about Diwali. Diwali is the main festival of Hindus. It is celebrated on Kartik Amavasya. This day all people wear new clothes and
War form का
crackers.
ध्यान रखो, wear नहीं, war.
War. And this day crackers are fired, and Lakshmi ji and Ganesh ji are worshipped, and this day Diwali is celebrated for 5 days. First is celebrated is Dhanteras. This day all people buy न्यू सब बर्तनों को क्या बोलेंगे?
Utensils.
This day, all people buy utensils, and second day is celebrated. Second day is
फोकस रखो बेटा. हाँ, क्या हुआ?
and second day Choti Diwali is celebrated, and third day main festival Diwali is celebrated by the people, and this day lamps are lighted in the houses,
Hmm.
and in the houses, and this day seats are made in the all houses, and this day houses are decorated by the lights,
Hmm.
and 5 day is 5 day Golden is celebrated, and uh, this
5
day
day ने 5th day.
fifth day Golden is celebrated, and their dunks are collected on the road, and at the night all people are collected. सर वो इकट्ठा होते हैं, मतलब
हाँ
सभी
ठीक है.
लोग
Gathered. क्या हुआ बोलो?
after it Golden are worshipped.
Is worshipped. बेटा वर्ब का ध्यान रखो आप बहुत ज्यादा. हाँ.
Golden is worshipped, and thus Diwali is celebrated by the people. That's it.
Okay, very good. Good. घबराया मत करो. हाँ आ जाओ रुचिका.
Yes,
रुचिका.
sir. Yes, sir.
Why is it necessary for us to take risk in our life?
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Come on.
So can I start?
Yes.
Risk is the thing that we should take because it is necessary. The risk tells us about our position, and it tells that that we should do it, because without risk we can't do in our life. Like if we risk, then we have idea to do one thing, and we do this thing to other time. And there are many positions, then we have to take risk. And like if we hope, then there is risk to change it in disappear. And if we try to help to someone, then there is also risk that people may think that we are helping to others for ourselves, because if we will help to others, then people think that he is doing for himself. Then if we try to tell our things to others, then there is also risk. And if we laugh on the others, then there is also risk. That means there is in all the things risk. There is a risk. When we take risk, it is just like to open from the certain chains. Risk we should take a risk in our life because it tells the way to go towards the success. And risk may change into uh, things like success and
टर्न लगा, टर्न, रिस्क may be turned into
risk may be turned into
our success.
our success. And if we weep, if we cry, then there is risk, and there is also risk. And if we go out if we go out to other place for telling something, then there is also risk. And we if we ex- if we tells our feelings to others, then there is also risk. And and in the all things there is risk. That's all, sir.
वेरी गुड. अब कौन रह गया? एक जना रह गया, वो बच्चा देवांश. नहीं है. ओके.